Court is in session. Today, the court reviews a workplace scenario involving a stated commitment to work-life balance and a last-minute request that directly contradicts it. This court does not evaluate people. This court evaluates situations. The record reflects two potential failures: work-life obstruction and false urgency. At a company-wide event, a memo was presented. The memo emphasized work-life balance. It encouraged boundaries. It stated that personal time would be respected. The expectation was clear, not implied, not conditional. Several weeks later, at 4:55 p.m. on a Friday, a request was issued marked urgent. The workday ended at 5. No prior notice was provided. No earlier request appears in the record.
Entered into the record a company-wide memo dated December 1st, stating that personal time would be respected and after-hours requests would be avoided except where strictly necessary. Also entered into the record an email timestamped at 4:55 p.m. on a Friday, marked urgent, requesting completion of 6 files. Each file estimated at approximately 15 minutes to complete.
The court acknowledges that urgency can exist. The court therefore asked counsel, what evidence was submitted to demonstrate that this request could not have been made earlier? No such evidence appears in the record. The court further asks, what policy exception was cited to override the stated boundary regarding personal time? Again, no exception appears. Urgency is asserted. Necessity is not established. Let us examine the arithmetic. 6 files multiplied by 15 minutes equals 90 minutes of labor. 90 minutes does not fit inside 5 minutes. This is not an efficiency problem. This is not a motivation problem. This is a timing problem. Specifically, a delay upstream that is rebranded downstream as urgency. This scenario meets the criteria for false urgency, where preventable delay is reframed as an emergency for someone else. It also meets the criteria for work-life obstruction, which occurs when stated boundaries are overridden by timing. Based on the record, the court enters the following findings: 1 count of work-life obstruction, 1 count of false urgency. Urgency created by procrastination does not obligate compliance. The appropriate resolution is procedural, not punitive. This situation is sentenced as follows. Your request is stayed until Monday at 9 a.m. No additional availability is implied. No after-hours acknowledgement is required. The timeline is corrected. The boundary is restored. When urgency conflicts with policy, policy prevails. Court is adjourned.